We're back again for another day at Prolight Sound.
You're seeing quite a few notable product launches, so let's go check some out.
I want to show you around our new concert sound systems. So maybe the main core of it is our new Focus Venue system, which is an active modular line array system equipped with our known beam steering technology. So what we see up here is two low-frequency modules. Each of them are equipped with 8 10-inch drivers and a 4-channel amplifier, and a high-frequency module, the FV100, equipped with 16 drivers and 16 amplifier channels. We also have new subwoofers. So up here you can see 3 of our new PS850s, which are double 18-inch subwoofers. And down here, our new PS800, a single 18-inch subwoofer. What is special is that the flying hardware of the subwoofers can be retrofitted, so you don't have to buy it with the system. You can buy it later and decide then if you want to have the subwoofers on the floor or flown in an array. You might know our PT70 already. It's a point source, double 12-inch, 1.4-inch, equipped with our convertible dispersion technology, which you also find up there in the Focus Venue low-mid modules. So by changing the position of this backplate, you can decide if you want to have the system in cardioid mode or omnidirectional vented mode. That's pretty cool because that means you have less energy on stage and lots of more gain before feedback.
The new DZR and CZR series of speakers. CZR are passive speakers, DZR are powered speakers with 2000 watt amplifiers built in. Also, there are Dante versions available of the DZR speakers. In here we have FIR filter processing, we've EQs, we've got presets you can copy from one speaker and load into another one. And we've got a router and a mixer, so the 2 analog inputs can be mixed with the Dante inputs before going to the speaker.
We're presenting this year at Prolight Sound 2018 the integration and combination of L-Acoustics ELISA processor with Klangfabrik. The ELISA system allows to have an immersive setup of speakers. If you want to do a big production like that, you would have to have a lot of speakers from day one of pre-production. What we can do here is the engineer does his setup with the speakers, however he wants to have them, and then go here and press this button, export speaker data to Klang. If we do that, it will show up in our processor with virtual speakers, and like this, I can do the whole pre-production with the ELISA processor and Klangfabrik under headphones, and I have a pre-production ready and assign all my snapshots and do my mixes. And only in the last steps of the pre-production, I have to go on speakers to do the final touches.